Hi everyone, Rachel Gray here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. On this channel, you can find content on curly hair, sensitive skin, and mental health. If these topics relate to you at all, you don't want to wait any longer. Press that subscribe button. Today, we are going to be exploring Color Wow's Dream Coat for curly hair. Crazy. I've seen Color Wow at those dry bars whenever I need a blowout, and my hair's always come out spectacular whenever that has been used. However, for curly hair, that's new, that's interesting, so I'm really excited to try it out today on my hair. So the first thing we're going to do in this video is talk about Color Wow as a whole. The second thing, we're going to get into the actual product. We're going to talk price, we're going to talk ingredients, we're going to talk marketing. What is actually marketed about this product and does it actually work? Then I'm going to do a demo on this product, and finally I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So this is going to be jam-packed with information, and I'm bringing this all to you. I need you to do 4 things for me. Keep watching this video until the end, number 1. Number 2, leave a comment. Number 3, like this video. And number 4, subscribe. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the Color Wow brand. I did some research on, and their emphasis is on ingredients. On their About You page, there was a whole blurb on their chemist, Dr. Joe Cincotta. Now, if you study the sciences like me, this gets you extremely excited because not only are you paying attention to the ingredients, but you have a PhD in organic chemistry doing it for you. Yes, this is what I love to see. Another thing that stood out is Chris Appleton, celebrity hairstylist, has a seat at the table. So he's talking ingredients with them. He is talking how the products look and feel. So to have a hairstylist at that level at the table for these brand discussions is very important. Let's get into the actual product. This Dream Coat for curly hair. All right, so it's price number 1, and I'm looking at my screen here. Its price is $28. It's advertised as an all-in-one product, so one size, you know, for everything. You don't need a gel, you don't need a cream, you just need this one product, all right? And what it's supposed to give you is frizz-free, no buildup, bouncy, no crunch curls. All right, that's a high order, very, very high order to achieve, but we will see. Specifically for girls with type 2 and 3 curls. Now I have 3A curly hair, so we'll see if this works. The science nerds out there talking about ingredients, something that stood out to me about this product was that there was lab notes, and I'm like, lab notes, what does that even mean? And it talked about there being 3 polymers. One was for moisture, another one was for bounce and elasticity, and the last one was for flexible curls. So love to see that, and I'm sure that their chemist had something to do with that. Took a closer look at their ingredients, and as always, I will put that up on the screen for you, but one of the first ingredients are what they talk about and what they advertise, which is their polymers. All right, so what they say in their marketing is what you're getting in the product, and you know, we love to see that on this channel. That is what we want to see. So good job, Color Wow. So far so good. I am very excited. Let's get into the demo, see like how it looks, how it feels, and then I will share with you my final thoughts. Instructions first say to squeeze out all the excess water out of your hair. So I'm doing this right now with some cloth. Then it says to fully soak your hair. Now my hair is 3A, but it's also coarse, especially in the front. So I have some leave-in conditioner from Color Wow here as well. And I'm gonna put like just 2 pumps to just put it in my problem areas first, because I know that this is for type 2 and type 3 here. So that's number 1, and this smells like magic, by the way. Maybe a little bit more just because my hair is extremely long. So just getting my little problem areas. Then it says to comb out and saturate your hair with the dream coat. So I'll tell you how this goes. Now I'm going to separate it into sections and start with my styling and saturation. So I'll link my styling video, but just want to kind of do like 2 sections and really saturate it. It honestly feels like nothing. Like there is, like I'm scared. How is my hair going to respond to this? I don't know. It feels like nothing. It doesn't smell like much either. I'm scared. What's going on? Like you know what, I'm scared that like my hair won't hold, but I looked at the ingredients list and everything seemed fine. So I'm going to do my styling and just continue. There's no slip. The only thing I would say is if you're detangling, you'll want to use a leave-in conditioner because there's no slip. But for styling, I have not reached a consensus as of yet. Honestly, I can let you know that this product is not like any other product I have ever used before. First of all, I usually use 4 or 3 products in my hair. If you've seen any of my routines, I use cream, I use oil, and I use leave-in. I did use a little bit of their leave-in, but honestly, it was much less than I usually use. I just use it because I was so scared because I've never just used like one product in my hair that was so like weightless. So the claims that were made were it's gonna make your curls frizz-free. Look at this. Is this frizz-free to you? It's frizz-free to me. I love it. I love it. No buildup. No buildup. I mean, again, I was surprised because I need 3 products or more to achieve this. Bouncy, yes, yes, extremely bouncy. No crunch, none at all. What do I think about the ingredients? I think that it's great. I think it's giving you exactly what it says it's going to. My notes that I made to myself here, okay, there's no slip. So if you are trying to detangle your hair with this product, that's not gonna work. So what I would do is I would detangle your hair prior to doing this. Another thing that I noticed is your hair has to be drenched with this product, okay? It took me a little bit longer to do it because I'd have to go through section and drench each section. So there is no cast. So if you're a girl who likes cast, then you'll need to take that into consideration. And then my final thought is I love this product for my hair, but I was very concerned when there was nothing for those type 4 girls. Like you're catering to the type 2 girls and the type 3 girls, but what about the type 4 girls? And I hate to see that. Sure, it's a product for me, but guys, we need to be more inclusive. So that is one thing I noticed. Would I use this product again? Absolutely. Do I love it? Yes, like look at my hair. Okay, the one thing I always preach on this channel is for type 3A hair, what do we want to do? Don't weigh it down. Don't weigh it down because you're not going to have volume. Your hair is going to look limp. It's just not going to be cute, okay? And this product delivers. So if you have type 3A hair, run, do not walk. Run to go get this product because honestly, science works. Science works, you guys. And this product works. I love it. I absolutely love it. Not getting paid to say this, but I love it. Absolutely. Chef's kiss. Okay, guys, please like this video, comment, subscribe. What do you want me to review next? I appreciate you. Bye.